Hello children, here I'm again with my another video on English grammar. In my last video I explained the sentence and its different kinds. Okay, and in this video of mine I will tell you the parts of speech. Okay, so what is parts of speech? You know, in my last video I told you sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay, जो पूरा sense बनाता है. Okay, जैसे मैंने बताया था कि सीता dances well. Okay, तो सीता dances well. This sentence is making a complete sense, and this sentence is a group of words. So what is parts of speech? So these words that makes a sentence, okay, they are categorized into different kinds or classes, and that is only called as parts of speech. उन words को ही different kinds या फिर आप कह सकते हैं different categories में बांटा गया है और उसे ही कहते हैं parts of speech. हम जब भाषा बोलते हैं कोई तो हम different words का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो उसमें इन words को हमने शब्दों को different class या kind में divide किया है. So in English there are 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. In this video of mine, I will be only explaining the parts of speech in short, and in my later videos I will come with the explanation of different parts of speech. Okay, now there are 8 parts of speech. Number 1, it is noun. What is noun? Noun को आप हिंदी में संज्ञा भी कहते हैं. Noun is a name of any person, place, animal or thing. Okay, किसी भी इंसान का, किसी भी व्यक्ति का, स्थान का, चीज़ों के नाम को हम क्या कहते हैं? Noun. Okay, so what is noun? Name of any person, place, animal or thing. Today I am not going to explain anything. In my later videos I am going to explain it one by one. So what is noun? You can write some examples here. जैसे आपका हो गया राधा. It is a name of a person. Delhi. Then girl is also a name. Okay, but it comes in different types of noun that I am going to explain later on. Okay, then thing, pen, etc. All these are categorized as noun. Okay, now the second part of speech is pronoun. Pronoun is what? आपको पता ही चल रहा है. Okay, आप हिंदी में इसे सर्वनाम भी कहते हैं. So what is pronoun? Pronoun, the word that is used in place of a noun. वो शब्द जो noun या संज्ञा के जगह पे इस्तेमाल की जाती है उसे क्या कहते हैं? Pronoun. Okay, like I am saying that Sita dances well. She sings well. तो मैंने बार बार सीता का नाम इस्तेमाल करके मैंने फिर क्या बोला उसको? she. क्यों she? क्योंकि हम लोग लड़कियों के लिए what we use she. For boys we use he. Okay, so he, she, it, they, we, all these comes under pronoun. Okay, so what is pronoun? A word that is used in place of a noun. Okay, you can write some example here. It is she, we, it, he, and so on. So the next part of speech is verb. What is verb? Any action word or doing words that called as verb. As the word that tells us any action. Okay, like she is walking, I am dancing, you are eating. So dancing, eating, all these are categorized as verb. आप हिंदी में से क्रिया भी कहते हैं. So any action word, the word that tells any action is called as verb. Okay. Example: walking, eating. Okay. So all these are action word. Okay. And in my later videos, I'm going to explain the verb. Okay. In detail. What are the types of verb? Everything. Now the next part of speech is your adverb. Now the name itself is telling that the word that adds meaning to the word. Okay. कोई भी शब्द जो वर्ड के मीनिंग को और उसमें कोई और ऐड करता है और मीनिंग ऐड करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एडवर्ब. क्रिया विशेषण. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल लाइक शी इज वॉकिंग स्लोली. हाउ शी इज वॉकिंग slowly. Walking is the verb and slowly, how she is walking? Slowly. So slowly is the adverb. Okay. Example: she is walking slowly. Okay. Walking is the verb here and slowly is your adverb. Okay. Now come to the next parts of speech, that is your adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is that word that tells something more about a noun, or in other words you can say that it adds more meaning to the noun, जो हमको noun की विशेषता बतलाता है. इसलिए इसे हिंदी में हम विशेषण भी कहते हैं. I'm giving you an example like Radha is a beautiful girl. Radha is a beautiful girl. Okay, so here see, Radha is also a noun and girl is also a noun. And how is she? She is beautiful. Okay, तो यहाँ पे noun की विशेषता बतला रहा है. कैसी लड़की है? सुंदर लड़की है. तो that is beautiful. Your beautiful is your adjective. Okay. Our next parts of speech is your preposition. Preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that relates a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Okay, with the rest of the sentence. It tells us the position of the or the relation of the noun or the pronoun, or the position of the noun or the pronoun in a sentence with the rest of the set parts of the sentence. Okay, so what is preposition? Preposition is a word that tells us or that relates a noun or pronoun in a given sentence with the rest of the sentence. Okay, for example, the cat jumped into the well. Okay, here the cat is the noun here, and what is the preposition here? Into. तो well के साथ cat का relation कैसे बता रहा है कि it is into the well. It jumped into the well. Okay. Now our next parts of speech is conjunction. Conjunction, it is a word or group of words that joins two words or more than two words, or sentences, two sentences or more than two sentences. So what is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins two words or more than two words, or two sentences or more than two sentences. Okay. For example, What is the example here? Sita dances well and she sings beautifully. So here are the two different sentences. She dances well, she sings beautifully. Okay, and we have joined them with a conjunction and, because, so, etc. All these are conjunction. Okay. The last part, and that is interjection. What is interjection? Interjection is a word that expresses a sudden feeling. Okay. For example, hooray, we have won the match. And children, if you are following my videos, then you must have remembered in my last video I told you about the exclamatory sentence. Okay, in that exclamatory sentence we have used interjection. What is an interjection? Interjection is a word that expresses a sudden feeling. कोई भी sudden feeling. It can be of happiness, sadness, excitement, anything. Okay, and I hope you like my explanation about parts of speech. In my later videos I will be coming with the explanations as well. So, and if you are really liking my videos, then don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.